It's Friends Mail Day! I'm so excited to share this with you. Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and let's jump into today's video. Our first haul is from Indiana Jones and we have Dollar Tree stuff. Here we have Annie's box and it's full of Dollar Tree items, and this is the card. So sweet, thank you. You're so sweet. We have a chalkboard, one of this, and you will see that in a project. We have this felt stickers, and I'm so in love with them. And we have one of these tags, and I can't wait to DIY with that one. We have two of those ribbons that I'm using on one project that I'm making. We have this peace sign. It's an ornament, and I'm so in love with it. Some of this berry garland, yay! And we have this stickers that are made from wood, so awesome. And this socks. Those are socks that I love them and I'm gonna wear them. We have this Christmas trees made out of wood, some snowflake cutouts out of wood again. We have this stockings, so sweet, and this awesome cutout. It's a start and I can't wait to DIY with that. Look at this, I always wanted one of those chalkboard tags. And we have more of this stickers. I will make something cute out of that. And we have this awesome stencil. It will work really nicely on my DIYs for Christmas. And we have some signs. Look at this one, Merry and Bright. I love it. Isn't that cute? And over here, we have another beautiful one, Peace on Earth. Look at that, so cute. And last one is the Let It Snow sign. So beautiful. You will see all of them on my tree for sure. Thank you, Annie. I loved everything. Our second haul is from Elizabeth Hamilton from Walmart. This is Elizabeth's card. So sweet. I loved it, and the message it made my day. You're the sweetest, Elizabeth. Here we have a beautiful garland. And then we have a Christmas tree. That's the smaller one. And we have some beads from Walmart, the wood and red ones. And we have these ornaments, those star ornaments. I can't wait to craft with that. And we have this, and you will see an awesome project that I will come up with those ornaments. Look at that. We have white, silver, red, and black. And they will look beautiful, so check it out. Thank you, Elizabeth. This is a partial haul from Jamie Joy. I'm still waiting for some stuff to arrive. For Jamie's haul, it's a partial one because I ordered some things from eBay and I'm still waiting for them. We have green felt, cream felt, brown felt, and black felt. And I have something in mind for those. We have this spray paint. You know, I love the black. But this one is gloss because we're in Christmas, so we have to add some gloss. We have this crimson Waverly chalk paint. And we have more of these ornaments that have the silver, the gold, the black, and the red. And you will see another project with those. And also we have these tea lights that I didn't know that the box was shattered. But we have these tea lights for another project. And also we have this wood caps that you can see here. And I have something in mind for those. And we have another set of these stars. Thank you, Jamie. Our last friend mail is from Anna, and we have costumes for the kids. Here we have the costumes for my kids. They will wear that on Halloween. We are gonna have a family party. And as you can see, we have the Batman with its cape and the Minion costume. They are so excited for this Halloween. Thank you, Anna. You're the sweetest. And this is everything I got. I'm so thankful for all of this. Look at that. I'm fully stocked for Christmas. I can't wait to start crafting with all of this. I have a lot of things, so you will be seeing lots of projects in November that I'm gonna start crafting with all of this. So you will see lots and lots of Christmas DIYs. I just want to take this opportunity to thank all these ladies for sending me all of this. I'm so excited and I'm so happy and thankful for them and all of you. Look at that. I couldn't ask for more. It's just awesome. And remember that if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos and the Christmas DIYs. So excited! Take care! Bye-bye!